Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at this pre-owned 2018 Forest River Cherokee Arctic Wolf 315 TBH8. I'll go ahead and show you right here on the front of the unit. You can see that it, oh, gotta unlock it. There we go. So it does have a large pass-through storage space that is accessible from the front and both sides. It does have two entries. You do have your outdoor entertainment, so two outdoor speakers, a TV mount, you've got cable and satellite hookups, and it does have an outdoor shower. And then it does have a large lighted and power awning. Behind your second entry is your outdoor kitchen. So you can see it does have a single basin sink, some prep space. It is lighted and has cabinetry. Let's get a look inside. We're gonna start up upstairs here in the bedroom. So as you can see, you do have a large bed. It's got reading lights above the bed. There are USB ports and outlets on each side of the bed, along with a nightstand. So if you have medical equipment or you need to charge your phone, you can do that right here at the bed. There is one slide up here. It's the wardrobe slide. As you can see, it does have a nice large mirrored closet and a dresser there. And that actually extends in here into the bathroom, so you get a second mirrored closet. Over here is your vanity and medicine cabinet. And over here you have a large corner shower that has a skylight overhead, which offers a little more headroom. And then, of course, your toilet. Down here in your main living space, we've got your kitchen, so a large single basin sink. Got a Greystone microwave, 3-burner Suburban stovetop and oven, LG refrigerator and freezer. On the main living slide is your booth that has the ultra deep drawers that extend to the back of the dinette, and a fold out sofa. And then over here is your entertainment center, and it does have a radio. Back here is your second entry. As you can see, it leads into a half bath where you have vanity and mirror, and of course your toilet. So if you have guests, or you've been at the beach and you're filthy, you just want to go to the bathroom, you don't have to track through the entire unit. And then finally back here is your bunk room. So you do have the single bunk on the left. It does have a TV backer there and some storage space. And then it has another slide where you have a single bunk and a jackknife sofa with some storage underneath it. If you'd like to see this unit or any of the other great options we have available here at Tri-State RV, come out and see us in Anna, Illinois, or visit us online at www.tristaterv.com.